Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making tamarind drink today, guys. You have to try this tamarind drink recipe. It's a refreshing drink and very easy to make. So here I have some dry tamarind. Once I shell them, this is what it looks like. But I did leave my tamarind a few days ago because of time, so it did change its color. Nonetheless, it is still good. Tamarind is a tropical fruit, guys. Some are sweet and some are sour. I'm using the sour one to make this drink because why not? It's beastly hot outside and this drink is going to quench your thirst. The paste-like pulp is easily removed from the black seeds once I do it this way. You can also use a blender, but I prefer not to damage my blender blades, so I'm using the old-fashioned way. Pour it into a container, add some sugar, and just use your hands and rub them together. Once you start rubbing it together, that paste-like pulp is going to come off from the black seeds, and this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, the seed starts to remove, and at this time I realized that the container is too small, so I'm going to pour it over into a bigger container just so that I can get to massage the flesh and the sugar, just so that I can get most of that pulp out from the seeds. As you can see, there's better results here where most of the seeds are being removed from the pulp. And this is just an old-fashioned way of doing it. Here I'm adding a little bit of water and continue the mashing process. Tamarind drink do not take long to make. It is just simple and easy to put together, guys. Let me tell you, in this August month, it's extremely hot. And this is a drink that is going to quench your thirst. So do it like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some more water. And because it is sour, you want to make sure that you use the right amount of tamarind. So as you add your water and your sugar, you can taste for sweetness. And you can taste also for that tangy, sourish kind of taste. So here I'm adding more water. I'm going to take a spoon at this time and I'm going to stir it. Now because I use that amount of tamarind, which I'm going to list in the description box below, you need to put more water. Now it's your discretion because I'm not really going to leave much of an ingredients there. But once you rub it in, you'll have that taste that you're looking for. Just make sure you add the sugar and water and you're going to get the right taste. Little by little at a time. Now I realize that it is still sour and not sour as in spoiling, but that's what the fruit is like, a sour kind of tangy tart taste. I add more sugar and a little bit more water until I get that right flavor of drink that I'm looking for. So now that I stir it in, I'm going to strain it over into my container. And let me tell you, once I make fruit drink, I do not like to use it over ice because I always just like to have that right flavor. I don't like mine to water down. So what I normally do is place it into the freezer or into the refrigerator just to get that extra chill. So I did place some into this metal container which I freeze, and I did add the mug in the refrigerator to cool. So this is as much ice as it would get for me. If you want, you can use yours with ice. You can also add some lemon juice or lime juice, but you must use the freshly squeezed one, or also some Angostura bitters if you want into yours. Either one you can use, or you can mix them together and serve when it's chill, guys. Trust me on this drink. It is simple to make, satisfying, a good taste to your bud, and there you have it. Go give it a try and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy.